Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Big Ben. Today we're actually going to talk about how or why Bitcoin can easily go to 12K. So let's get it. Okay, so before we even talk about Bitcoin going to 12K, first, happy Mother's Day. Shout out to all my female subscribers. Happy Mother's Day. Make sure you guys have a great day. And all the mothers in general, happy Mother's Day. All right, so let's get to the 12K. We talked about this on my live stream, and I tried to tell you guys Bitcoin can actually hit 12K, but okay, we have three problems, and let me show you the three problems. We talked about this on my live stream. Okay, this is the first problem right here. Boom. The second problem right here. Boom. The third problem right here. All right, now these are areas where Bitcoin can find resistance. Okay, now let me explain to you why I believe Bitcoin, or why I think Bitcoin can go to 12K, but we have these problems right here. So let me explain the reason. Okay, this whole breakout right here, this triangle breakout, let me just draw it right here. You see this big triangle breakout. And also, for you guys don't know, I'm outside in my backyard, so if you hear birds and all that craziness, that's why. Okay, so we broke out of this big triangle. Right now, the top of the triangle is right here. Right, this is what it's top. So if people went short, a lot of times they stop right at the beginning of the breakout, the beginning of the triangle. Okay, so Bitcoin can easily go back to stop these guys out. Okay, but at the same time, we have resistance right here, and here. So Bitcoin might find or have problems hitting that 12K, because anywhere, okay, any of these areas right here, we can find resistance, and we can, the sellers could come in and basically push this market back down. So we have to see how the market reacts. So far, the market is reacting to the first level, which is right here. Okay, so if you notice that we went past this first level, and it's reacting. So sellers came in. Let me go to the 4 hours so you can let me go to 1 hour so you can see better. So you see the sellers is coming in right here. All right, so that's the first level. So we have to keep our eyes on those different levels. Every time Bitcoin goes to these levels, we have to keep our eye on those levels, because sellers could come in. All right, now, for you guys that's saying that this is the bull market, stop it, guys. You don't understand the market. This is not a bull market. All this is just a pullback, and it wants to go up, but we have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. Of course, this could be the major resistance at the 12,000 mark. All right, now let me explain to you guys, show you guys the different outcomes, because most of you guys are going crazy. You're talking nonsense. You're saying that, oh, this is the bull market. And I understand, because some of you guys don't have the financial education, and you're listening to the news or people that don't know what they're talking about. So I understand. So I'm not really going to bash you guys too much. So let's go to the different outcomes. So Bitcoin, what most people don't understand, because they don't have the financial education, or they don't have skills when it comes to reading the chart. Most people don't understand, and we talked about this actually yesterday. Bitcoin can go all the way up to that 20K mark, right? And guess what? It could go right back down. Okay, most people don't understand the structure of the market, how it moves. It doesn't have to just go straight up and hit that 50K or whatever K. It can actually go back to the high and find resistance and drop right back down to 4K, 3K, or even make a new low. Okay, that's just one way Bitcoin, or one thing Bitcoin can do. Another thing Bitcoin can do, okay, and I'm gonna show you right now. Bitcoin could just basically break out of this and not even make it to the high, and then go right back down. Guys, I see this all the time. Okay, so this is why you really have to understand how to read the chart. This is why you have to understand how to read the chart. That's why most crypto investors will fail, because they don't take profits. You need to take profits. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys, but you have to understand taking profits is the only way you're going to survive. You're going all in, and you're looking for $1 million, and you don't understand the structure of the market. You don't understand how it moves. You don't understand the different possibilities and the different outcomes, right? So you have to learn from people that's doing this full time. Pros, we don't care about the market going up. We don't care about the market going down, because I remember someone yesterday saying on my live stream, "Oh, wait a second. I thought you said that Bitcoin was going to continue to go back down and blah, blah, blah." I'm like, bro, listen, okay? You have to understand, when I talk, I'm talking based on what's going on right now. I don't talk in the future, okay? Because no one knows the future. So when I'm seeing the market going down, you always have to look for continuation, okay? Until the market, and I told you guys before, until we have confirmation and the market is telling us, okay, now it's time to not look for shorts, we can look for longs. That's when you change your, that's when you change the way you think about the market. And most people don't understand that because they are not professionals, and that's why most people can't do this full time, because they stuck in their ways. They just think one way. They think the market is going to go up. All right, the market could go up, down, sideways, and you have to know how to take advantage of that. Okay, so when I was telling you guys that the market was bearish back in 2018, you know how many people unsubscribe and talk trash, okay? And a lot of people are saying, "Hey Ben, why are you bearish for? Why? I don't get it. I mean, you was bullish in 2017, right? And all of a sudden you bearish." Well, you have to understand, I'm a professional. This is what I do for a living, right? This is what I do full time. And you have to understand that I'm not bearish. The market turned bearish, all right? So I'm following the market. I'm not trying to predict the future or anything like that. I'm telling you guys the outcomes, all right? So when I was making money to the upside, and then I switched and started to make money to the downside, some of you guys really couldn't believe, like, "Oh my God, I can't believe how this guy is doing that," right? It's because once you know how to read the chart, you're not going to fall for all the tricks. Most of you guys are feeling the heat right now, so that's why you want it to go up. You want it to go up to the moon. But a guy like me, I can sleep good because I'm consistently and constantly taking profits. All right, you have to learn how to take profits. That's why you're scared right now. It's hard for you to go to sleep because you think everything is just going to go straight up, guys. It doesn't have to go straight up. We can go sideways for a long time. Okay, Bitcoin could do something like this, hit the high, go right back down. We could do this for a long time, bro. You don't see, most of you guys don't even know how the market works and how it moves. But anyway, so that's the recap from last night live stream video. Okay, guys, learn how to read a chart. Learn how to read a chart. You guys know that I've been right 90% of the time, but some of you guys ignore that because your beliefs and my beliefs don't line up. So automatically you want to disregard whatever I say. Okay, it's almost like listen to a lawyer, right? If a lawyer is telling me, "Hey man, you got to do this, blah blah blah," and I'm saying to myself, "Why this guy is talking about this for?" It doesn't make any sense, all right? But at the same time, I have to remind myself, okay, this lawyer has a good track record. He knows what he's talking about. He is a professional, so I have to listen to. Forget about my beliefs. I have to listen to this guy, okay? And that's what you guys really have to understand. Some of you guys have to understand that this is what I do for a living. I'm a professional, and sometimes you just have to put your beliefs to the side and just listen to a professional. The guys that you are listening to, okay, these guys are not showing you live trade. They're not showing you anything. All right. Actually, I post something in my crypto Discord, and I told you guys in May 4th, Bitcoin could go to 6,800 or 7K, right? That's May 4th. Let's see what May 4th is at. May 4th is right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Hold on. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right, May 4th is right here, right? When we had these red candles. And that was around, 5,600? And boom, we shot up to 7K. Why? Because I saw sellers wasn't really coming into this resistance zone. So I saw more upside. All right. This is how you can look at the market once you understand how to read the charts. You guys really have to understand how to read the charts, guys. I never read white paper in my life. only white paper I read was BTC, and I read that a couple months ago. That's the first time I read a white paper, all right? And I was making money just by looking at the charts. Meanwhile, you guys are down maybe 60%, 70%. I'm taking profits, right? So, guys, listen. If you want to learn how I'm basically, or how I'm able to make money from the crypto market, okay, I have a course on that. There's the first link below, but that course actually comes with it's a day trading course, okay? So I day trade the futures Monday to Friday. This is why I do full time. So if you want to learn how I actually work from home, trade full time, okay, go for the first link below. Is the day trading course, and the crypto course comes with the day trading course. So the crypto course will show you how to swing trade the crypto market. But the good thing about the day trading course is I'm showing you guys how to day trade futures daily. Okay, that's what you really want to do. Eventually, get that daily income. All right. So the good thing about this is I'm going to show you guys for 1 month. I'm doing this for all my students for 1 month straight. Okay, starting today, which is the 12th, all the way to June 12th. Okay, I'm going live. I want you guys to come look at me trade the live markets. I already started Friday for my private group already, right? So I traded live. We made money on Friday, live account. So if you guys want to look at a professional trade the live account, because I'm quite sure you bought a course before, but that course, right, I can guarantee you he's showing you pictures or videos that happened in the past. I'm showing you live videos, guys. That's what you want to do. You want to look at professional, how he's looking at the market live, how he's making his money live. If you're struggling right now, that's the best thing to do. Is the first link below. Okay, it's a one-time payment. I do have payment plans. So shout out to everybody that's want to learn. Shout out to all my students. I appreciate all you guys. Okay. Right now I'm thinking about only taking maybe 20 people, because I want you guys to be a small group so you can, ask questions and different things like that. So make sure that you sign up, because I don't know next time I'm doing this. This is a life changing situation. Of course, if you can't make it, you will get the recordings. Okay, shout out to everybody again. Happy Mother's Day to all my females. I appreciate all my females. And listen, go to that first link below. Talk to you guys later and have a great day. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.